Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 16 wallpapers. Now, wallpapers will make your lock screen on iOS 16 and your device overall look way different with a new depth effect that Apple has added to the new lock screen. And there are a lot of different apps that will offer amazing wallpapers for your iPhone running iOS 16, and in this video I will show you guys 10 of those that I believe are some of the best apps that you can get for wallpapers on iOS 16. Starting things off with Daily Theme. Now this is an app that doesn't just offer wallpapers, it also offers other stuff like themes and widgets, and also widgets for your lock screen, but it also has a dedicated section for wallpapers. You will find here really beautiful wallpapers that you can use for your lock screen on iOS 16. Like these right here, you can see these Game Boy wallpapers. These look really awesome, and if you have a device on iOS 16, the clock and everything will be right here on the screen of the Game Boy. It will make it look really interesting. Now you will have here other stuff, like if you go to iOS 16 here, you will have all the different depth effect wallpapers that you can get for your device. This is really cool. A lot of different wallpapers to choose from. Now once you have found a wallpaper that you like, all you have to do is tap on it and tap to save right here, and you're good to go. Now you have that wallpaper saved on your device and you can apply it with a depth effect. Next up is My Screen. This is another wallpaper app that also offers other stuff, like you can see right here, lock screen widgets. Now you can see most of them are actually paid. You will have to have a paid subscription, but you will find also a lot of them which are actually free and you can install them on your device. But let's head on to the wallpapers here, and you will see a ton of different wallpapers with depth effect. Now we'll find here different categories. You will have the new wallpapers right at the top there, so you tap on new and you will see all the cool new wallpapers you can get for your device. And you will have also different categories. If you look lower here, we'll have the best of the month. Then you will have here depth effect. You have like flowers. You will have different things right here like abstract, nature, anything you like you can find here, and of course apply them to your device on iOS 16 with the amazing depth effect. Now this next wallpaper app is exclusively for the newer iPhones, the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, of course the iPhones that have a dynamic island. And you can see what you get here. Wallpapers that actually look really cool and really interesting on the dynamic island, like this one right here. What I don't like about this app is that the only way to browse wallpapers is simply by swiping here. You don't have a way to actually go and browse all the wallpapers. You will have just to swipe here and of course choose whichever one you want to download. But again, it has some really interesting wallpapers that if you have a device with the dynamic island, it will make your device look really interesting. Lock Screen 16 is the next one. Again, another app that offers lock screen widgets and wallpapers as well. You can see right here we have GIFs as widgets on the lock screen. This actually is really interesting. You can get these from this app, and you'll also have app shortcuts and countdowns, status in widgets, and all that stuff. But if you go to depth wall right here, this is where you can find depth wallpapers for your device. They will have normal wallpapers here, which are actually paired wallpapers that are really cool. I'm gonna show you guys those in a second here, but here we have the depth effect wallpapers. You can see we have here different animals, and we have objects and nature and all that stuff, and they all look really great. Again, this is an amazing feature that Apple has added to iOS 16. It actually makes the wallpapers and the lock screen look really good. But one really cool thing about this app is, again, here the normal wallpapers, but that are actually pairs of wallpapers. Now how you use them, you get both of these. So let's say you have this one right here, so you can see I have this one on my device currently, so you have this one on the lock screen, this one on the home screen. You will get that really cool effect when you unlock your device. So let me just show you guys how this works. So right here we're on the lock screen. When we go to the home screen, you can see how that changes. It's actually really awesome. Now the way it works, simply tap on download right here, save 2 images, so it will download both images at the same time, and then you can just go ahead and apply the first one to the lock screen, the second one to the home screen. Next up is Wallcraft. Now this is a wallpaper app that has been around for a long time, and it offers of course amazing wallpapers. But again, this one also offers paired wallpapers that will make your iOS 16 device look really cool. This is the home right here. We'll find like different categories you can browse here. You have exclusives, you have live, of course these don't work on iOS 16, but here we'll also have double wallpapers. You tap there and it takes you to the double section, and you can see right there how it works. So you can see these double wallpapers, they will look really cool on your device. Now one thing about this is that you will have to actually accumulate different points here in order to download these for free, or you will have to actually pay for a premium subscription in order to download those. And right here on the home screen you will also have other wallpapers that you can download for free. Of course, a lot of them are wallpapers that are with the depth effect, so you can get them for free. The next app for the video is called Live Wallpapers. It's actually called Live Wallpapers, but it offers depth effect wallpapers. You will find live wallpapers as well, but those of course are no longer working on iOS 16. But if you just open the app and you go to deep wallpapers, iOS 16 right there, you will find a ton of wallpapers that are actually really cool, and of course will make your device look even better running iOS 16. So you take a look at these wallpapers, you tap on those, you can see a preview. You can of course save them by favoriting them right there, or just go ahead and save them immediately to your device. Again, this is another app that offers a lot of wallpapers for free. These of course are most of them for free, some of them are actually paid, so you can see that sign right there, which means that you will have to pay a premium subscription if you want those, but there are a ton of them that you can actually choose and download here absolutely for free. The next app for the video is called Wallpapers. It offers also a ton of depth effect wallpapers. So this is what you will see once you open the app, and you can just swipe like this to go between different wallpapers you might want to download on your device. And of course ads as well, as it's a free app. You can find a ton of ads here, but let's just wait for this to finish. But you don't only have to swipe here, you can also tap that little arrow right there, and you can go on different categories here. So like you have new, you have then different categories that you can go ahead and choose, and of course and swipe between those and save any one of them that you want to download on your device. Wallpapers Central is up next. I know I have featured this app before on a previous video, but it's actually one of the best that you can get when it comes to iPhone wallpapers, and they have a dedicated section here for depth wallpapers. Now unfortunately this section right here is only available if you purchase the premium subscription, so right here we'll have all kinds of different depth wallpapers that actually look really cool. Now this is one of the best apps when it comes to depth wallpapers, as they release quite a lot and of course update the app quite often. So that's what you want to do. Of course, when you want to get wallpaper apps, you have to make sure that the wallpapers are added daily and very frequently. So you will find all kinds of different wallpapers here. Of course, you can even search and choose any wallpapers that you want. Once you have found the wallpaper that you like, if you tap on it, you can actually see a preview of how exactly it will look on the lock screen of your device. Once you're done with that, tap on download and you're good to go. Wallpapers Now is up next. This is also an amazing wallpaper app that will offer depth effect wallpapers and also duals right there. So you tap on duals and you can see wallpapers that of course have two different ones. You have one for the lock screen and one for the home screen, and you can also see a preview of them right in the app right here without have to actually downloading them first. You can see what they do and how they will look once you have them installed on your device. That's really cool. And of course you will have depth effect wallpapers as well, a ton of them right here. You tap on it and you will see a lot of different wallpapers that you can download from this app. And last but not least, Walli. I have featured this app a lot of times on my videos, but it's actually really great. This is an app that is not actually that popular, even though it has been around for a long time, but I really love this app because the number of wallpapers and pictures you can find on this app is really amazing. Now this is the home screen of the app. You can find different collections right here. You can find the recents, populars, and the featured as well, and of course you can search right there. So if you just search for depth, for example, you will find a lot of wallpapers that actually offer the depth effect and that you can use on your device. You can see right here some really amazing pictures and wallpapers as well that you can just go ahead and download and use on the lock screen of your iOS 16 device. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of the apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe for more, leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.